Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. First, take random flower petals. Any petal shape is fine. Then, draw the petal shape on a paper. Fold the paper in half and leave a little space here. Cut the flower shape and this is the shape that I used to make this flower. Next, use a marker to draw the shape into a beverage can. Like this. The beverage can will be a little difficult to cut, so I use larger scissors. This will be our template. I use viscose fabric for this flower. This fabric has a unique texture. As you can see, it has a straight line texture. So I will cut with this direction. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with the template we just made. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see in the description below. This is the shape that I use for this flower. Now take tweezers and burn the edges so it will curl beautifully like this. Fold the fabric like this. And use hot glue to secure. Make 8 pieces of this, and I will show you how to assemble this. Glue the petals like this. For the bottom layer of this flower, I use 5 pieces of these petals. This is the bottom layer of the flower. Make another one with only 3 pieces of petals. Attach these 2 pieces together. Take stamen or pistil. I like to use 2 colors. We will attach this to the center of the flower. Use hot glue to secure. To finish this, cut and secure with hot glue. Our beautiful flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.